Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, today we are gathered here in this glorious courtroom to preside over a case because there is a criminal in that chair. Jumbo Johnson is being convicted of aggravated assault and robbery. He pointed a gun at Ginny Berger's head, demanding $1,000 in cash. He even shot the gun at her husband. And we found lawful evidence that will prove that his guiltiness. May God have mercy on your soul.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client, Jumbo Johnson, has been wrongly accused of robbing Gus and Ginny's store. For many reasons, he has been wrong. We have enough evidence today to prove to you that my client is innocent.
Thank you very much. Opening statement's now done. Prosecution. You state your name for the court, please.
Gus Berger.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
Please take a seat.
Mr. Gus Berger, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Is it true that your gas and grocery store was robbed at 12:15 a.m. on Halloween night?
Yes, that is true.
Is it true you fired Jumbo Johnson from your store days prior to the event?
Yes,
What was the reason for Jumbo being fired?
he was slacking off and stealing from my store.
Indeed. Imagine yourself in Jumbo's position. Would you be angry that you have been fired, or would you just shook it off?
I would have been angry, it wouldn't be.
I understand. Is it true you were shot in your prosthetic leg?
Yes, it is true.
Have you experienced problems prior to that?
No.
Okay. Take it up. Right. No further questions, Your Honor.
What were you doing the night of the crime?
I was in the back room stocking.
Is it true that you're having money problems with your insurance company?
Mm-hmm.
Is it true that you've been trying to increase profits at your store?
Yes,
How well can you run on your prosthetic leg?
not well.
The police statement said that you ran from the storage area to the crime scene. How far away is the crime scene from the storage area?
Oh, like a room away.
No
Okay.
further questions.
Miss Ginny Berger to the stand. Hello, Miss Ginny Berger. So, what were you doing on the night of the robbery?
I was counting money at the cash register.
And closing up the shop?
Yep.
Okay. Would you say there was something unusual about the night, something going on outside at all?
Yeah, I saw two shadowy figures walking around.
Interesting. Was there anything strange about the figures or figure?
Well, when it came closer to the store window, they had paper bags. They had paper bags over his head. Or her head.
Okay. Were they describe these perpetrators?
Well, they were wearing dark clothing. They had their hands covered, and they looked like they were wearing a fat suit.
Okay.
The bag had eyes cut out and a mouth cut out.
Okay. Is it true you were held at gunpoint and Mr. Jumbo Johnson here demanded $1,000 in cash?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
That's your witness.
Please describe the person who robbed the store.
They were wearing dark clothing with a paper bag over their head, and their hands were covered.
Did the person fall after they robbed the store?
Yes.
Okay, jury. We have a credit card bill for a costume shop. I'm pretty sure you can get a fat suit from costume shop, right? And if he did fall and I'm pretty sure that probably stopped most of like the force as it's going down. You know what I mean? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You can get a fat suit at costume shop.
State your name to the court.
Clive, crime buster?
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please take a seat.
Clive, is it true you were the first detective on scene?
Yes, I was.
Did the store owners look, Did the store owners look scared or upset after the robbery?
Yes, they look very frightened.
Tell me about your search dog, Bertha.
Okay, let's see here. She's 10 years old. She's a bloodhound. Search dog.
Could you say she could pick up scent really easily, or?
Yes, I would. She's been working for me for about 10 years, and she's never been wrong.
Yeah. So, no further questions, Your Honor.
Defense, your witness. Defense is witness.
When did you get the call about the robbery?
May you please restate the question?
When did you get the call about the robbery?
I plead the fifth.
Where were you when you got the call about the robbery?
I was at home.
How fast did you get there?
I'd say pretty quick.
If you and your dog got there a couple minutes later, would she have been able to check the scent?
Most likely.
Do you think it is possible that Sunny Sundrop Juice got on the handle of Mr. Johnson's door and your dog picked up the scent which was on the handle?
Well, it could be, but it just so happened that the scent that my dog picked up led right to the apartment where Jumbo Johnson was living.
Please state your name.
Clairvoyant.
Order.
Miss Clairvoyant, what is your occupation?
I'm a psychic.
Order.
You said you had a vision. When did you have this vision?
October 30th.
Sorry, we're gonna need you to be a little bit louder for the,
October 30th.
What did you see?
I saw a vision of Jumbo Johnson still in the store,
What?
robbing
Yeah.
the store.
What time did you see the vision?
12:15 a.m.
Can you be more descriptive about what you saw?
I saw a man 6 feet tall, 300 pounds, and dark clothes, and his face and hands were covered.
Go for the questions, Your Honor.
Is it true that you're a son?
Yes,
Is it true that you had a vision of the store being robbed?
yes,
Why did you go to the store if you knew it was being robbed?
because Tito's helped my business. I want Tito's.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, while we were searching Mr. Jumbo Johnson's apartment, we found an angry letter to a Mr. Gus Berger.
Objection.
What?
Wasn't it found in his locker?
Yes, it was. Would you like me to read this letter, Your Honor?
you may.
Okay. Dear Gus Berger, thanks a lot, Gus. Thanks to you, I'm almost bankrupt. Just kidding. How could I be happy about that? Expect a visitor at around midnight, you stupid, idiotic cripple. Oh, so long, partner. Thanks for firing me. Sincerely, an old friend. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start this glorious closing argument, we found this at the scene of the crime. You know what this is? This is the Sunny Sundrop bottle that Mr. Jumbo Johnson, where is he? Oh, there it is. Mr. Jumbo Johnson. He shot the gun, ricocheted off of Mr. Gus Berger's prosthetic leg here, and went in to this can of delicious Sunny Sundrop juice. Okay?